In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap USDT to Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to manage a wide array of digital assets with ease and security. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, swapping currencies within Trust Wallet is a simple, straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. First, let's begin by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Trust Wallet offers a user-friendly interface right from the get-go, which you'll notice as soon as you access the app. Once the app is open, you should see several key features displayed prominently, such as send, swap, fund, and sell. Additionally, there's a section for tokens, where you can view all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. To proceed with swapping USDT to Bitcoin, you'll want to focus on the swap feature. Click on the swap button, and you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll notice two main sections labeled From and To. These sections are crucial because they correspond to the cryptocurrencies you're swapping from and to respectively. In the From section, click and select USDT. This indicates that USDT is the currency you want to exchange. Then move to the To section and select Bitcoin, which signals that you wish to receive Bitcoin in exchange for your USDT. Make sure to be precise in your selections to avoid any mix-ups or errors in the transaction. Now, you need to enter the amount of USDT you wish to swap. Carefully input the amount, ensuring that it aligns with your trading strategy and current wallet balance. Double-check this input to make sure it's correct, as errors can easily occur if you're in a hurry. Once you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Swap button. At this point, you'll be prompted with a series of on-screen instructions and confirmations. These screens are designed to confirm the details of your transaction, including the amount being swapped and the currencies involved. Take your time to review these prompts and confirm each step to ensure that the transaction is processed correctly. Once you've followed through with all the prompts, Trust Wallet will proceed with the exchange, converting your USDT to Bitcoin seamlessly. You'll be notified when the swap is complete, and you can then view your updated Bitcoin balance within the Tokens section of your wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully swapped USDT for Bitcoin using Trust Wallet. With a little practice, this process becomes even more intuitive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Be sure to check back for more cryptocurrency tutorials and tips.